Hello, hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am. हमारी आवाज
hello, I'm sharing PPT for SLS's self-learning session. You have to correct the sentences. If you are not able to get the right answer, please tell me. Hello, Aditya. Aditya, roll number one. Aditya, roll number one. Ayush, Astha,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Astha, I am not getting any response, but I think there is some
Ma'am,
problem.
yes.
She is responding, but I am not able to listen.
Ma'am, you are audible to us.
Astha, please respond once again. No, still not audible.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm, Hello. Hello, Ashima.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे तो बराबर रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं लेकिन इधर आवाज नहीं आ रही. कुछ प्रॉब्लम इसमें हुई है. Are you ready for the exercise? Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rati, you are saying something?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay. One by one you have answered. For sentence, you have to raise your hand answering. Yes, Ashima. Apostrophe. Just a minute, beta. Yes. Correct answer is it's. A dog knows its master because apostrophe, it is a contraction. It is. So it's right. It should be apostrophe. Now it is. Here it is subject verb. Okay. Hence,
Ram and I will go home.
Ashima, just a minute. When you answer, please write down your points for correct answer. अपने पॉइंट्स आप लोग अपने पास नोट करके रखते रहिए. ठीक है. So Ashima, note down 1 point for yourself. Okay. Next is Ram and myself will go home.
I'm Dhriti. Ram and I will go home.
And I will go home. Good. Third, both of them is not. Arushi,
Ma'am, instead of is, are will come. Both of them are not suitable.
yes. Both of them are not suitable. Now, if we have to change the form of this sentence, if we have to change the form of or structure of this sentence without changing the meaning, how can we change it? Any answer? Any idea? How to change the form of the sentence without changing its meaning? Raise your
Ma'am?
hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, by using punctuation.
No. When we have to change the form of the sentence or structure of the sentence without changing its meaning, it is called transformation. Transformation, we change the form of the sentence, but the meaning remains the same. This sentence can be changed into none of them is suitable. None of them is suitable. So in that sentence, none of them is suitable, if we write this sentence, what we are doing? We are changing the form of the sentence, but meaning is same. Both of them is not suitable. दोनों में से कोई भी suitable नहीं है. Both of them are not suitable. That is the correct one. And none of them is suitable. Or so we have changed the sentence, but not the meaning. क्या किया हमने? Here, this verb is negative. But in this sentence, we use negative subject. Verb is positive. Verb negative नहीं यहाँ पर. Verb is positive. Subject is negative. None of them is suitable. So sometimes in the sentence we have negative subject, not negative verb. Is it clear to you? Sometimes subject may be negative, not the verb. But that sentence is also considered as negative sentence. You know, sentences are of various types. How many types of sentences are there, Aditya? Types of sentences? Today,
I'm sorry, ma'am.
not responding. I think, yes. Types of sentences are there.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, there might be some internet issue. You're not audible. Your voice is cracking.
Maybe because
Your voice
it's
is
raining.
breaking.
Okay, once again. Yes, it is. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Okay, Aditya. Aditya, my question was types of sentences. Types of sentences. Anyone else?
Ma'am, imperative, exclamatory,
Good.
interrogative, and declarative.
So declarative may be positive as if.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have
Affirmative.
interrogative sentences, affirmative or negative, जिनको आप assertive simple statement, affirmative for confirmation. Then we have negative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory and imperative. Besides these, we have optative sentences as well. Okay? So we'll cover all these types of sentences when we'll do tenses. This discussion was regarding or in relation with this example. None of them is suitable is also a negative sentence, but verb subject is negative. Okay. With the next sentence, 4 sentences. The Shatabdi is more than Rajdhani. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. अगर नहीं आता है कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड, क्योंकि नेगेटिव अगर आपका आंसर गलत है तो नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. तो आपके पॉइंट्स कट नहीं होंगे. The speed of the Shatabdi is more than Rajdhani train. Anurag, Astha, Astha, can you answer this?
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, it is audible.
Ma'am, this can be like this, that Shatabdi is faster than Rajdhani train or something like that.
You are doing transformation. Let me tell you, in your examination, अभी तो हो सकता है आपके एग्जाम्स का भी पता नहीं कि ऑनलाइन होंगे ऑफलाइन होंगे, बट एज फार एज correction of sentences is concerned, you must not try to transform the sentences. Try to get the main error and correct it. अगर बिल्कुल आप कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आ रही है या वो बिल्कुल आप चेंज कर ही नहीं पा रहे हैं उसको, सॉरी करेक्ट कर ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, इन दैट केस गो फॉर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन गलत नहीं है, बट व्हेन करेक्शन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस इज देयर इन एग्जामिनेशन, इवैल्यूएटर फोकसेस ऑन द मेन एरर. आप सेंटेंस को दूसरे तरीके से भी ठीक कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एंड ही इज गोइंग देयर. अब आपने उसको करेक्ट किया, आई एंड ही आर गोइंग देयर.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
नेट का इश्यू इतना ज्यादा है हद से. Okay, the speed of the Shatabdi is more than because in this sentence we are comparing the. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आप यूज नहीं करते, अवर सेंटेंस सेज द स्पीड ऑफ की शताब्दी की स्पीड राजधानी ट्रेन से ज्यादा. As we are speed, we have to say the speed of the Shatabdi is more of Rajdhani train. So instead of repeating the word speed, we use then that of. Another example is my car is better than my friend. बिल्कुल गलत है अगर आपने ऐसे किसी के सामने बोल भी दिया तो रिलेशंस गए. फ्रेंडशिप अच्छा तुम्हारी कार मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छी है. माई कार इज बेटर देन दैट ऑफ माई, क्योंकि आप कार का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, कार का कंपैरिजन. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, ma'am.
So in such cases, then that of should be used. The speed of the Shatabdi is more than that of Rajdhani train. Good. Next is, I have known her since a long time. Yes, Asthan.
I have known her for a
Ma'am,
long time.
for. Yes, ma'am. For, because for is used for period of time. So for.
Good. I have known her for a long time. Mark your point. Next, a lion is on the verge of extinction.
The lion is on the verge of extinction.
The lion is on the verge of extinction. Why?
Because
Why
it's
the?
about the complete line. Because it's about the
Yeah.
complete line community and not a single line.
Exactly. When we use article the before a particular common noun or proper noun, it becomes a general noun for all. It refers to the community. For example, Hindu. Hindu, अगर हम उससे पहले the Hindu use करते हैं, it means the whole Hindu community. We are talking about all Hindus. So the Hindu, the English. In the same way, the lion is on the verge of extinction. The whole community of lions. Good. Mark your point. Next. I have finished my work 10 minutes ago. Yes, go ahead. And no answer. I have finished 10 minutes before. I have finished my work 10 minutes before. Next is, she knew hardly how to do that
She hardly knows how
problem.
to do that problem.
She hardly knows how to do that problem. Good. She, पहले तो आप इनका प्लेस ही, she knows. Next one, they are kinder to animals than to children.
Kind.
Good.
मैम 7th में क्या?
Yes, Jay. Jay, your voice is not clear, beta.
मैम जो 7th पॉइंट था उसमें क्या गलत था?
इसको आप इसमें आप दो तरीके से ठीक कर सकते हैं. If you have to go with a go, you have to use I finished my work. I have finished my work 10 minutes before.
मैम 9th में ये 2
Before होगा
मैम
इसमें.
9th में 2 क्यों आया? देन चिल्ड्रन नहीं होगा बस.
Just a minute, beta. Let me. They are more plus than to children. नहीं ठीक है, than to क्योंकि वो जितना बच्चों के लिए काइंड है उससे ज्यादा एनिमल्स के लिए काइंड है. ठीक है, अगर
ठीक है,
आप टू हटा देते हैं सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाएगा कि जितना चिल्ड्रन काइंड है बच्चों के लिए वो काइंड है. Are you getting the explanation? They are more kinder to animals. More kinder is incorrect. They are kinder to or they are more kind to animals than to children. कि वो जितना बच्चों के लिए काइंड है उससे ज्यादा वो एनिमल्स के लिए काइंड है. So to is correct here. Next. Just मुझे थोड़ा सा सेटिंग देखना पड़ेगा.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
All of the boys have been selected.
All the boys have been.
All boys have been selected. Good. The first color has faded. Chanchal, can you answer this? Divya? Dhupam? Okay.
Color of the wall has faded.
Is answering?
Dhriti.
Okay, Dhriti. No, the color, no. Because not a living thing. And for non-living things, we have to use of, not apostrophe s. Apostrophe s is used for living. Okay. Next is, they behave like they are the people on earth. No, they behave as they are the, not like. Or as if. use as if. No, on earth is ठीक है, as if, मानो कि, वो इस तरीके से, ठीक है, from several scientific disciplines. Just a minute, is missing है शायद. नहीं ठीक है, दूसरी एक्सरसाइज है. Yes, the committee of scientists from several scientific disciplines do as directed.
Was.
Instructions are already given. The committee of scientists was from several scientific disciplines. No. Here we are talking about individual members. कि वो अलग-अलग discipline से थे committee के members. Committee of scientists were from several disciplines. What is the correct answer? Next sentence, the command ordered the troop to attack. You have to change the sentence into plural. Who answered this? Good, Ashima. Commanders in chief. Good. Next is, I have some tea, but I don't have. Very simple sentences.
प्लूरल में चेंज नहीं होगा पिछले वाले में.
नहीं क्योंकि इंडिविजुअली तो उनकी अपनी ट्रूप्स ही होगी ना. कमांडर्स इन चीफ.
ओके.
That is enough to make it plural. I have some tea, but I don't have.
Some sugar.
I don't have any sugar. I have some tea, but I don't have any sugar. Next, as he had taken only a few sips, there was still
Little water left in the glass.
There was little water left in the glass. No, a little water. Because we are not saying कि उसने, हालांकि उसने थोड़े से ही सिप लिए थे, फिर भी उसमें कुछ नहीं बचा. We are saying as he had taken only a few sips. क्योंकि उसने थोड़े से ही sips लिए थे, उसमें अभी भी कुछ पानी था. So it is used for positive. तो हम पॉजिटिवली कह रहे हैं that there was still some water in the glass. As, क्योंकि उसने कुछ ही sips लिए थे. That's why there was positively some water in the glass. So it should be a little. अगर हम ऐसी जगह यहाँ पर दो यूज करते हैं, उस केस में हमारा मीनिंग क्या होगा? Though he had taken only a few sips, कि हालांकि उसने तो थोड़ा कुछ ही sips लिए थे, फिर भी उसमें कोई पानी नहीं बचा. ये था तो बिल्कुल नेग्लिजिबल था. It should be, though he had taken only a few sips, still, there was little water left in the glass. Next sentence. Episodes of the serial Prithviraj Chauhan.
Later.
Later.
Yes.
Later. Which one? First one, LATER or LATTE?
First one.
LATTER.
LATTER. Later. It means बाद वाले.
No, ma'am.
Later.
बाद
बाद
वाला
में.
होता है
It
later
is
का
used for time. ये later होता है बेटे time के लिए. He came
वो
later.
LATTER वाला बाद वाला होता है, तो एपिसोड्स है, प्लूरल है, तो हम लेटर नहीं
हाँ
होगा,
तो यही
बाद
तो होगा
वाले।
ना, I don't like. हाँ तो वही है ना कि I don't like later episodes of the serial, कि उसके जो बाद के एपिसोड्स थे वो मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगे. मीन्स टाइम के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आता है. He came later. वो बाद में आया.
Okay.
So later, this is next. I congratulate you.
Ma'am, for your success.
For your success. किसने आंसर दिया ये?
Ma'am, Astha.
Astha. Just a minute. Aryan, is she right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I congratulate you for your success. No. On your success.
मैम लेकिन फॉर भी तो गलत नहीं है।
फॉर बेटा होता है, फॉर आप यूज करते हैं जनरली बेस्ट विशेस देने के लिए. बेस्ट विशेस, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम. जब आप सक्सेसफुल हो गए उसके बाद कांग्रेचुलेट के साथ आप ऑन यूज करते हैं.
मैम इसका मतलब तो ये
Next
हुआ
is,
कि मैं
she opened the-
हमारी सफलता पे तुम्हें वो कांग्रेचुलेट कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ.
मैम ऐसे कौन बताता है कि
She opened the door and
कांग्रेचुलेट
नहीं बेटा फॉर नहीं आता इसके.
ओके।
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Yes, next one. She opened the door and walked. Why into? Why?